Muhammara is hummus but better. You start with fire roasting some red peppers evenly, and once all the sides have burned, transfer it to a bowl and cover it with a cloth and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Once the peppers cool down, remove the burnt peel, remove the seeds and also the core and set aside. Now to a cast iron pan, add walnuts, pumpkin seeds and organic rolled oats, and on medium flame toast them for at least 10 minutes. Now transfer the roasted peppers, walnuts, pumpkin seeds and oats to a food processor. Add some tahini, salt, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, cumin powder, smoked paprika and date syrup, a little bit of water, some garlic paste and blend into a creamy, smooth paste. Transfer to a serving plate and garnish with some sesame seed butter, some toasted walnut, pumpkin seeds and your favorite flowers. You can have muhammara just as it is with a chapati or a roti, or add it to your favorite wraps or sandwiches, or to my falafel wrap or the Middle Eastern platter recipe.